Meaning of disquiet.
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 Disquiet. The word disquiet refers to a feeling of anxiousness, unease, or disturbance. When someone experiences disquiet, they may feel uneasy and restless, as if something isn't quite right. This can lead to feelings of discomfort, worry, and even fear. Disquiet can be caused by a variety of factors, such as uncertainty, stress, or a sense of impending danger. In extreme cases, disquiet can escalate into a state of panic or anxiety, which can impair an individual's ability to function normally in their daily life.